guys, so today we'll be talking about calculating descriptive statistics on data. So usually for data, we got descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. So descriptive statistics are usually used to organize, summarize, describe, and present, while inferential statistics are made for inferences, test hypotheses, and determine references and make predictions. So, when we think about a population versus a sample, so population is what the data is trying to represent with the sample. So we could get a margin of this population with the sample in order to represent a larger population. So the sample versus the population. Sample is what used in the data is what is used in the data versus the population. So usually to describe data, we have the central tendency. So we use that to describe is mode, median, and mean. And one of the easiest ones is obviously the mode because that one is quick to find. It's the best central tendency statistic, and it's not influenced by extreme scores. So usually to find the mode, you just have to see what occurs the most. So let's say like in a number, it'd be like let's say if there's a bunch of tens, then we use those. If there's a bunch of nines, then we use those. It's whatever number is the most frequent, right? Or score, you know. And then we got the median. The median is the middle of this data. So let's say we put them all in order, and in order by number. So let's say 1 through 10, and then we go in the middle, and then that'd be the median. But let's say let's say in 1 through 10 we got 5 and 6. So then if you could, in that case you would add both of them, and then divide it by 2, and then you would get 5.5. So that's like that's an example of like you say you got a number that's like two numbers instead of just one in the middle. So that would be the median. And then finally we got the mean. So that's different. We need to use like a number. It's a arithmetic average. It's only performed on ratio and interval data. And when typically what you do is that you add up all the numbers, right? And then you divide them by how many there is, right? So let's say you add a bunch of the numbers and you just divide it into, and then there you go. There's a mean. And then that's also used to find the what's it called it? We use that to find the variance and the standard deviation. So that's a whole different mathematic tendency in order to find in the data, but we use that too in order to describe data.